Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. That's my dishwasher. It didn't drain. What a mess, huh? Well, I think I know how to fix it, and I think I'm going to share that with you guys and gals. So the dishwasher, usually, most standard setups, drains into this little funny looking thing on the sink. Oh, I'll get that out of the way. It has a cover on it like that. It's like a breather. It's like, it's open to the air here, and the dishwasher shoots its drain water out this, and then it goes down here, and it drains into the wherever your sink drains, wherever everything drains out of the house. So what I found and what I pulled out of the top of that little round pipe there is that. And I think that was what was causing the problem, because I could hear the pump running. And I think this dishwasher is maybe 5 or 6 years old. I'm not 100% sure. Let me see if it's got a date on it. No, it doesn't really have a date. It has some other SKU numbers and whatever. It's a Gen Air. You would think they'd put a date on there, but what do I know? I don't manufacture these things. So anyway, that's more or less normal, because stuff does get knocked off your dishes down to the bottom of the dishwasher, and then it does drain, and there are some particles that are not just water, and that looks like some stringy stuff. I don't know, but let's put this cap back on. It has a cap that has two little clips. The little clips go here and on the other side there, and then it has that silver cover, stainless steel cover. Let's try it. So I snap that top back on. That's so it doesn't splash all over the place. It directs the water back down. It seems like it only goes one way. So if it doesn't go on the first way you try it, flip it and try it again, because the plastic tube that comes out of there is like over to one side. It's not dead center. So try that. We'll leave the fancy cover off for now. So we'll press cancel drain. Shut the door. You can hear that water, right? You can't really see anything. Let me get my flashlight. Yeah, I can actually. I don't think you'll be able to see it on camera, but I can see some water flowing there, and I can hear it. And Froggy's happy. I think I fixed that 100%, and I really enjoy sharing that little tip with you guys and gals. So give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Be safe, have fun, and if you want notifications, click the little bell next to subscribe. Okay? Love you guys and gals. Froggy out. Bye. One last shot. Not much light in there. Anyway, it's all drained out. Bye.